In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Zeno Purifier in one's human. So there's actually two ways of doing it. One is 100% and one is by chance. So by chance is you can actually find the Zeno Purifier inside the crates in different territories. However, the chances of getting that is very, very low. But there's a different option where you can get it, and you can get it 100%. So what you want to do is press escape and then go over here to these kind of season goals. And up here, you want to go to the second tab, which says Season Goals. And in here, you have to press the first one, which is of Mist and Mirage. Click it, and then go to Challenges to the very right. And in here, as you can see, when you complete this task, which is to use a melee weapon to defeat 200 enemies, you can get a Zeno Purifier as a reward, okay? Now, as you can see, I'm already there. This is not that hard to do. Just go to an area where there's a lot of zombies and just pull out your melee weapon and one hit all of them. It's going to take some time, however, it's very easy to do it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can get Zeno Purifier in one's human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to this channel and help me out as well.